Alright everyone, just gonna make another short video. The capacities, it's about halfway through the day. It is June 21st, I believe. I checked all the instruments on the charge controllers, and so far I've used about, I'm gonna say 15 kilowatt hours. And on and off, it's been sunny on and off. And at peak times, I had the system operating at its maximum potential, which is a little over 3,000 watts. Okay. Great. Just showing it off once again. Got a little fan here, because the when you're dealing with the 12-volt system, it uses a lot of amps, heavy wire and a lot of amps, and that generates a lot of heat. Okay. Now, everyone's seen two inverters. I never really explained why I got two inverters. That's because to operate more loads. The 4001 operates basically the dehumidifier in the basement, and I can connect it to an air conditioner in the bedroom, so that way I don't overload the 5,000 watt reliable inverter, which operates basically the rest of the house. So that way, at some point, and today I've actually had 3 air conditioners and dehumidifier running at the same time. Okay, which is phenomenal for a 12-volt system. You see, it's a beautiful day out. Giving the plants some sun, which I might make a video about them sometime later. But not now. That's it. Check out the air conditioner we have running. There we go. The one in the window here. Okay. Operating out of an outlet right under the cabinet. These, I don't know if you can see that. I don't want to go get a light, but there's like special outlets in the house. It's an outlet under the cabinet that looks basically like this one, protruding from the wall. The ones protruding from the walls that I personally put in to run the applications on my off-grid system. Okay, instead of using a transfer switch. And because I don't want to mess around with the wiring in the breaker box, because it's as old as dirt, and I don't want to screw around with it. Okay. And here's another big mucker air conditioner with the ceiling fan. It's like 90 degrees out, fellas. If I didn't have this off-grid system, Jesus, I'd have to run these air conditioners, you know, with the grid, and they'd be charging me a ton of money. And I even have central, I actually have central air, but it's not very efficient. If you look at the vents, they're on the ground. I mean, they're on the floor. You know, cold air rises. Really, the vent should be on top for a central air system, but that's what I got. It's extremely inefficient. It costs a boatload of money. Remember back in the beginning, I was getting like $600 over $600 electric bills for 2 months, which is about $300 a month, which is still pretty high. It's too high. It's ridiculous to spend that kind of money on friggin' power. I mean, it's electricity. But you know, everybody's got to make that money somehow. Okay, and I got another one in the bedroom here. This one's not operating. Well, at some times in the daytime, I actually have 3 of them. Three of them running at once. And you see, I got my my little toaster oven in case I want to cook on it. Over here, I got an outlet where, you know, I can cook things in a microwave or make something to eat over here on the one the one burner there, because it's just me living here, so I can boil something, you know, cook something on a frying pan, and I don't have to spend I can use the off-grid system for it. That's it. That's going to conclude my video of the day. Look forward to more videos coming from me about precious metals. Maybe a little bit of politics sometimes about certain things. And yeah, keep cool and stay classy, and hey, have a drink. It's beautiful out. All right, fellas. Melvin Molly out. Later.